to our installation at Delhi in Punjabi Bagh. This is the entire villa we have automated. This is the lounge area. So this is the application through which you are controlling all the things individually. This is a completely hubless control. The panel is wirelessly linked to the access point or the Wi-Fi router. Now here I'm giving you the demo through Alexa, as we have configured the entire system on Alexa as well. So we have set some few scenes. So I'm just going to display how those scenes can be controlled through Alexa. So here, Alexa, good night. So in that only the lift lights and the bedroom foyer lights are on. Alexa, party mode. So entirely the party modes get on. Alexa, power off. So everything turns off. Alexa, turn on cove light. So the cove turns on. You can individually as well control the system. Alexa, party mode.